How to remove contact poster on iPhone 12, iPhone 12 mini, iPhone 12 Pro, and iPhone 12 Pro Max. So if you already set up your iPhone contact poster so that whenever you have any incoming call or someone called you, then they're going to see your iPhone contact poster or your iPhone poster just like that. Then this video is going to walk you through how you can easily remove this step by step. So if you don't know this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to remove contact poster on iPhone 12, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the phone app. Then here you want to click on contact. Then on the contact page just like this, you can either click on the iCloud contact, the Gmail contact, or home contact. Then click on my card. Once you click on my card, for you to remove the contact poster, first just click on contact photo and poster. Then click on automatically share, and then click on contact only. Then here disable contact sharing. That's going to disable your contact poster and sharing. Then click on edit. Then here click on the edit button at top right. Then you want to click on edit as well. So here you need to change this contact photo or remove it. Basically, I create new. Then you may choose to use memoji or use monogram. So just come here, use memoji or monogram, and then click on done. Then click on continue. Click on continue, and then that is it. Then go ahead and click on done. Then this is what is going to display as your iPhone contact poster. And then when next you click on my cards, or when next you put a code through, your iPhone contact poster will no longer be visible. So that is basically how to remove or delete iPhone contact poster on iPhone 12. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.